Hi, I'm Jeffrey Weitzman, Managing Director of Navori. We're here at InfoComm 2024. Navori is a software engineering company based in Lausanne, Switzerland. Today we're featuring a lot of really cool innovations. The company was founded in 1998. We got our beginnings when we did the first ever digital menu board rollout for McDonald's across France. If you fast forward a little bit to 2006, we moved our offices to Switzerland. In 2009, we opened our North American office. 2012, we expanded and really grew our presence starting in the Middle East. In 2016, we opened an office in Noida, which is just outside of Delhi. 2018, that we thought introducing AI to digital signage would be a game changer. Historically, in the past, we'd always send content to screens, but we wouldn't understand what's happening, and that customers wanted to understand more about what's happening, where the content's playing, and be able to measure the performance of what they're doing with their signage. Over here, it's very simple, intuitive, easy to use. Then you have your library of content, which you can create folders, click and see your different media. And then you just drag and drop content into the playlist. Finally, very easily, you drag and drop playlist onto what's called a schedule. There you go. That is what we call the entire process start to finish, and you can publish your content. Okay, so here's our next interface, which is our AI analytics. You can click and quickly generate charts. You also have attention. So attention is really widely used with digital signage because it helps our clients to get a real understanding of who's looking at which content and how long it is and how effective it is. So over here, you can see footfall, which you can think of that as the total bodies. How many faces could you actually capture? Then you have a dwell time, so for how long are they within that range? So you can really understand when you're building a marketing campaign, how long do you have the attention of that audience and how long maybe should you be creating your media? So at some point we launched our analytics product, which has been great. And today we can do that on a Windows device where I can run two applications side by side. And the challenge there is sometimes I need a lot of processing power. And with that processing power comes a very high cost for that unit. So recently we're launching our StiX 3800. And what this does, it actually takes a light version, it takes a bunch of our AI code and injects it into our signage player application. And out of the box, our player can now do some of the basic measurements that our full AI stack is capable of. Some of those include things like footfall, dwell time, waiting lines, and vehicle detection. Today now, out of the box, they can measure and really get an understanding of what's going on in front of the screen. The next step from there, we'll be able to actually select which content should play based off of what is happening in front of the screen. So it's kind of a phased approach. The other thing that's really interesting with this media player is you'll see it's got two network ports. So what that does for us is it solves one of the inherent problems with running an external media player, monitoring and understanding what's happening on the display. Today we're able to not only measure and understand what's happening in front of the screen, correlate that against what played on the screen so you know how effective every piece of media that plays is. So as we look forward, you can expect more automation, more use of AI, and more applications for all the different data sources that we're able to collect information from. So if you didn't get a chance to see us this year, please come see us next year at InfoComm 2025 or even sooner in Barcelona at ISE 2025.